If you sell on Amazon, this is already there because Amazon's got a 30-day policy around refunds. But if you don't sell on Amazon, you sell on Shopify or something like that, you need to make sure that your return policies are up to date. Specifically, there's a 14 days now where they must be allowed to return the goods, okay? So that's the first two directives. Number one, 14-day returns. Number two, crystal clear who the hell you are, and a way to contact you as well if you sell in Europe. Next, if you sell in Germany, and here's the thing about this, okay? Right now, this is a German-centric thing, okay? And it's all to do with packaging, and Germany is really full on about their green elements of packaging and things like that, which is where this comes from, okay?